Thank you so much. I used to smoke a lot. I was used to 3 packs a day type of a guy, and my family wasn't happy with it. It forced me to quit. So I drink now. People who smoke make some noise. Anyone? Oh, okay. Took some time, but okay. People who drink make some noise. Yeah. Have you noticed that like we as a society don't really have a problem with drinking, unlike smoking, which is I don't know. It's a little weird because see, drinking has its own share of problems. You have heart disease, liver damage, memory loss. Imagine memory loss. I don't know. You know what the problem is? I think the problem is that there's a lot of fear and apprehension around smoking. Like it's. I feel smoking is very misunderstood. Like Islam, it's very misunderstood. There's a lot of fear and apprehension. Like if you like see a smoker around, people always judging the smoker, right? Like you're always judged if you're smoking, or if you're a Muslim. People always judge you. There's a lot of discrimination. They treat you like you're different from other people. There's something wrong with you. Like you're on some sort of suicide mission if you're a smoker. Not with drinking, people fine with drinking. It's there's like it's like Hinduism. There's right. There's few flaws, but it's okay. It's fine. Don't worry about it. People are fine with it. I don't know, like, dude, look at him. He demolished your car. The headlights are gone. It's fine. Look at him. He's drunk. It's okay. These things happen. Move on. Dude, look at him. Dude, he demolished the Babri Masjid. It's fine. Look at him. He's Hindu. It's okay. These things happen. I had a friend, who was a Hindu. Yeah. He used to drink a lot. He's dead now. Forgot his name. But I've noticed that like we as a society, don't really have a problem with drinking, unlike smoking, which is weird because drinking has its own share of problems. Heart disease, liver damage, memory loss. Imagine memory loss. The problem is, I'll tell you what the problem is. There's a lot of fear and shame attached to smoking. Like, if you're having a smoke, no one's happy in your family. Everyone has a problem if you're having a smoke. Or if you're having a girl child. No one's happy. Everyone has a problem. They want to kill the habit at the earliest possible stage. If you're having a smoke. Not with drinking. People are proud of drinking. It's like having a boy child. Right? Having a drink, it's like they want to show it off. Right? Like it's like a proof of your manliness. How many can you have? Drinks. Not boy child. I had a friend, who was a boy child. Yeah. Used to drink a lot. He's dead now. Forgot his name. But I've noticed something. I feel like, we as a society don't really have a problem with drinking, unlike smoking, which is, what's the word? Weird. I feel it's weird. Because like, I don't know, I feel like drinking has its own share of problems. You have heart disease, liver damage, memory loss. Imagine memory loss. The problem is, I'll tell you what the problem is. Smoking, people who smoke, I feel they have a lot of energy. That's very quick, whatever the smokers do. Everything is quick, they're like rabbits. But they have no sense of direction, people who smoke. They'll lose a race to a turtle. These people, they're like rabbits, right? People who smoke. Like if you go out on the street also, if you see a smoker, they always have like long ears. Have you noticed? People, they are like rabbits, they have long ears. People who smoke, they're always like covered in fur. Smokers. Yeah, have you noticed that? If you go out, trust me, you see a smoker, he's like always covered in fur, he's just jumping around like this. People who smoke, yeah, they're like rabbits, dude. People who smoke. They have long teeth coming out. People who smoke, yeah, they're like rabbits. Not with drinking. Drunk people are different. Drunk people are like crows, right? Right? If you go to a pub or a lounge or bar or whatever, you'll see a drunk guy. How does he look? He looks like a crow, right? They never have hands, drunk people. Right? Where are your hands, drunk people? They all, have you noticed this? Drunk people, no hands, only a beak. Right? Drunk people, they'll use the beak, they'll pick up the ice cube, put it in a glass, pick up the ice cube, put it in a glass, pick up the ice cube, put it in a glass. You know, the drink will rise. On the rocks, you know. And that's how you know someone's drunk, right? They make that crow sound. Someone's like, sir, would you like one more drink? Ah! Like, okay. You've had too much, sir. Please, leave. You know, I had a friend, you know, was a crow. Yeah, he used to drink a lot. Thirsty crow, yeah. His name now. Forgot his death. But I have problem that, we as a notice don't really have a society with our drinks. Unsmoke liking, which is weird, I feel, because, see, sharing has its own drinks with problems. Heart, liver, disease damage. Thank you so much. That's the end of my time. You guys have been a wonderful Rohan Desai. My name is Audience.